So we're being asked to solve this equation. So first step in this equation for most people would be multiply out the brackets. Now, a common mistake here would 3 times 2x, and then that would be it. They forget to multiply the 3 times the minus 5 as well. Okay, so 6x take away 15 equals 4. That means 6x must be 15 plus 4, 19. So if that's what 6x is, x is going to be 19 divided by 6, which is 3 1/6. Now how I got the 3 1/6 is 6 goes into 19, 3 times remainder 1. So that's how you work with the remainder, you put it over the number you're dividing by. Okay, move on then to the second part. Okay, 12 minus 5x over 4 equals 1. Okay, now what best idea here is, if you've got an equation involving fractions, multiply by the lowest common denominator. So in this case I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. Now why you do this is, if you multiply by the lowest common denominator, it will always cancel into the bottom. And what that means then is you don't have a fraction anymore. So I have 12 minus 5x equals, and now you've got to be careful. You've got to remember you've got to multiply this side by 4 as well. If you multiply this side by 4, you've got to multiply this side by 4. Okay, so then 12 is equal to 4 plus 5x. So 5x is equal to 12 take away 4. So 5x is equal to 8. So x is equal to, and you've got to get it the right way around, 8 divided by 5, which is 1 3/5, or 1.6. Goes in once, remainder 3. Okay, move on to part B. Liz buys axe markers at 90p, 3 books at 120 each, and the total is £13.50. Now we've got to be careful here. We've got different units. We've got pence, we've got pounds. We've got to use one of the units, so I'm going to use pence. So the markers are going to cost x times 90, so 90x. Now put it in that order, the number always comes first. Okay, the books are going to cost 3 times 120, so you can either write down 3 and then be careful, it has to be in pence, so 3 times 120, and we know it should equal, again in pence, 13.50. Okay, so multiplying or simplifying it out, we get 90x plus 360 equals 13.50. So taking 360 away from both sides, we get 90x is equal to 990. So x is equal to 990 divided by 90, which is actually 11. So it's 11 pence. Now you've got to be careful, you've got to put in the unit. Okay, sorry. So you can see this, we're going through that again. 90x plus 3 times 120 is 13.50, getting everything in pence. Multiplying that out, 90x plus 360 equals 13.50. Taking 360 away from both sides, so 90x is equal to 990. So x is equal to 990 divided by 90, which is 11. And I say you've got to remember to put in, it is 11 pence, because you could have done it in pounds.